Hey foodies, and welcome back to Cooking with Kiana. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make garlic butter shrimp. Okay, this is a super simple recipe. It will take you less than 5 minutes to make, but let me tell you, it will impress anybody. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be using a half a pound of shrimp. Make sure you wash, peel, and devein them. I decided to leave the tails on. For seasoning, I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of creole seasoning, 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of complete seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. So now I'm going to go ahead and add that seasoning to our shrimp. Definitely do not be shy with them seasonings, okay? So now I'm going to go in with my hands and make sure I mix that all in there. Once that seasoning is mixed into that shrimp, I'm going to add a generous amount of olive oil to my pan, and we're going to add those shrimps in and sear them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Once they're done searing on one side, go ahead and flip them over. You just want to get a nice golden sear on them, just like this. Once they have finished searing on both sides, go ahead and put your skillet on a low heat. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 stick of butter. Go ahead and stir that all together until that melts, and that's going to make a beautiful garlic butter sauce. And it was super simple to make. All right, so now I'm going to go in and I'm just going to add about 1/4 of a cup of parsley. Stir that in as well. So let's go ahead and turn off our stove so we do not overcook these shrimps. This is what your shrimp should look like when it is done. Now I'm going to go ahead and plate this and show you guys the finished result. Just going to go ahead and add a little bit of parsley on top for decoration. And of course, we cannot forget that butter sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy garlic butter shrimp recipe. If you guys would like to try it, be sure to check the description box below. I will have the full recipe posted there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That way you don't miss weekly recipes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.